Hey, I am so excited to teach you how to add a mood to your Facebook story. This is a new feature that Facebook recently rolled out, and I haven't seen people using it yet, and I am so excited to show you how to use it today, both creating a fun story and then also how to use it for your business. This is really going to help you stand out online and give you that competitive edge. I'll break it down and do a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to do this on your phone. That's what we're gonna get into today. Hey, before we jump into today's training, welcome to my channel, the Parisi Pack. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Stephanie Parisi and I am the leader of the Parisi Pack. It is my private coaching community on Facebook. I love helping busy moms grow their influence and their profits using social media strategies that actually work. If you like what you're hearing, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell to get notified when new videos are released. Let's dive into this. How to add moods to your stories. This is a brand new feature that Facebook just rolled out recently. Okay, so I'm gonna open up Facebook and go add to story. And then once I got that pulled up, you can see these options here at the top. And I am going to scroll over to where it says mood. So it should be new on yours. So find mood, pop that up, and then you can see there's a bunch of different suggestions that Facebook is going to give you. So you can pick one of those, or you can type in your own. Here I am going to type in llama. I'm really into llamas. I know, random. And then also say it's wine, like in the evening. So you could get anything that you want to type in, you can pull up a GIF for. For this sake, I'm going to go back to llama because I want to show you how to make just a fun mood story. I'm scrolling down and I'm going to find the one that I like. And it's kind of silly. But hey, that's what stories are for. So now if you tap on the GIF itself, it changes it. You can also add in drawings like you normally can with a story. You can add in words. For this one, I'm going to say how I feel about my hair these days, because that's true. My roots are so outgrown. So now I'm going to put that at the top. And then here, if you push this button, you can change the colors. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You can change the different colors of the background, or you can insert a picture. I could scroll and pull up any picture. But for the sake of this story, I am just going to do a colored background. Like I said, there I'm tapping it to see if I want to change the picture. I'm deciding which fun colored background I want. Gonna put that at the top. Make the font darker so it stands out. For the sake of interaction, I am going to add a interactive button. So we're popping that guy in there. The fun thing about the interactive sticker is when you push it, he laughs. So it increases your engagement. And now you're ready to go. All you gotta do is hit that share to story button. Woohoo! You have just made your first mood story. Now let's go over how to make a story using this new feature, but for your business. So if you want to know more ways that I create stories that sell, keep watching because I'm going to tell you in this video. So now let's create that business story. I am scrolling over and I'm selecting mood. And then I am looking at the options, but I want to make my own. I'm getting a boom type GIF. And again, you can see I'm going to just leave it as square. And then I'm looking at the different background options. And for this one, there's lots of different colors, but I think I'm going to pull up my own. I have my own Bitmoji, and I'm putting this little boom inside the thinking box because I'm making a business story. And I am going to get an arrow. So I am pulling up the pull feature, hit the space bar to get rid of the words that it naturally, right? Like I never want to use the natural words in the pull feature because they're so white. So I'm going to type in my own text.
And I am going to ask, I know how to add moods to my stories. And I'm just making it a fun little true and false question. Going to make the font a bright color so it stands out. Center it all up. And that way, when people hit true or false, if they hit false, then I can start a conversation with the person in Messenger really simply and just be like, hey, do you want to know how? And that's it. I just made this fun business story. So let's do one more. So I'm going to open up Facebook and add to story. Scroll over to mood. And then I am going to type in my own because let's just do something fun again, another fun option. So wine time. So here you can change it back and forth depending on what you want. I think I'm going to go with that one. You can see I'm messing around with that circle with the background. So here's a picture that doesn't quite fit because it's not the right size. So what you want to do with your pictures is crop them so they fit the story size if you're going to use a picture in the background. So I'm just kind of messing around with where I want to put this. And I'm just going to do a simple question, you in, just for fun, right? Find kind of my ideal customer avatar. Other moms who drink wine at night after their kids go to bed. Getting rid of the poll text. And now in the poll area, I'm going to just add in a little wine glass and then a cross. So that way it's just kind of fun. Again, making it fun. And then now I get that positioned exactly where I want it. And I am going to grab an arrow because I just want to draw attention to the question because there is a little bit going on in this story, but because the words are so simple, I think it's okay. And so now I'm connecting the mood with my question, getting my layout all set. And then that's it. You're just going to hit that share to story button, watch it upload, and you are good to go.
And now you know how to use this new feature, adding a mood to your stories for both business and fun. But what about creating other stories that sell? How do you do that? And how do you do that consistently, not being on your phone 24/7? How do you share about your product or your opportunity and not spam people? And how do you come up with engaging, fun content when life kind of seems boring and on repeat? I have a Facebook challenge. It's a free 5-day challenge. It's going on right now. And if you want to be a part of that, I will put the link to how you can join that challenge in the description of this video. But don't wait. You're going to want to jump on it because the challenge ends in a few days and I don't know the next time I'll put it on. I hope this training has helped you today. I hope you have fun going and making mood stories. I will see you next week with another video.
Are you looking to grow your influence and your profits online? Then grab your spot in the Parisi Pack, my private coaching community. You can find the Parisi Pack on Facebook.